Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best hydrocolloid is probably one of the most versatile and effective ingredients in modern skincare, offering a unique approach to managing various skin concerns by leveraging the power of water-based gels to create a moist healing environment that accelerates recovery and minimizes scarring, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking clearer, healthier-looking skin. Number 5. COSRX Acne Pimple Patch. Discover the COSRX Acne Pimple Patch, your secret weapon against blemishes. These patches are designed to absorb impurities and protect your skin. Harnessing the power of hydrocolloid, these patches effectively draw out gunk from pimples. They create a moist environment that aids in healing. With 3 convenient sizes, you can target any blemish, big or small. They fit perfectly on your face or body. These discreet spot stickers work hard to cover and heal your pimples. They are virtually unnoticeable, allowing you to go about your day with confidence. We believe in gentle care. That's why our product is never tested on animals. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin with ease. Simply apply a patch to the affected area and let it work its magic overnight. What we like? These are the original hydrocolloid patches, offering a trusted and effective solution for blemishes. They come in 3 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for various spots. If you're looking for a classic, reliable option that's also kind to animals, these are a great choice. What people say. The product works well and is designed for effective function. The product has useful features and factual benefits. Number 4. GUSHE Korean Pimple Patches. Introducing GUSHE Korean Pimple Patches, your solution for clearer skin. These patches are designed to effectively treat blemishes. Each pack contains 132 dots, providing ample coverage for multiple breakouts. Get ready to reveal smoother, healthier-looking skin. Formulated with the power of tea tree oil, these patches help to calm and reduce inflammation. Experience the targeted benefits for your acne. Our patches are virtually invisible, allowing you to wear them day or night without drawing attention. They blend seamlessly with your skin. Rest assured, these patches have been dermatologist tested for your safety and efficacy. They are a trusted addition to your skincare routine. Embrace the renowned effectiveness of Korean skincare with these advanced acne patches. Achieve that coveted radiant complexion. What we like? Infused with tea tree oil, these patches offer an extra boost of acne-fighting power. Their invisible finish makes them discreet for daytime wear. If you prefer a patch that actively treats your blemishes with added ingredients and blends seamlessly into your skin, you should consider these. What people say. The dots come on perforated paper, split down the middle of each row, so they are easy to remove from the plastic without creasing. The plastic sheets are not a bunch of tiny perforated squares but rather long strips that stay attached when you only take off one dot, so you are not dealing with throwing out a billion little slivers of plastic each time you use any. The dots are very good at staying put, and I've even had them stay on just fine if I apply moisturizer or sunscreen on the surrounding skin and it accidentally gets on it. They've survived being out in the rain. I could get them to stay on places with beard body hair even, and they wouldn't yank it out when I remove them. The skin is flatter and barely, if at all, red by the time I remove the patch. I tend to get really nasty deep pimples that refill repeatedly, but these patches have like a 90% success rate on preventing them from refilling because they deal with the inflammation that's causing it. Number 3. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Surface Large Pimple Patches. Tired of large pimples popping up? Meet the new solution designed for your face. It's here to help you tackle those bigger blemishes. Specifically crafted for areas like your cheeks, forehead, and chin. These patches are perfect for larger breakout spots. Utilizing the power of hydrocolloid, these stickers work to absorb gunk and protect your skin. They create an optimal healing environment. We believe in kindness to your skin and the planet. That's why our patches are vegan-friendly and gentle for all skin types. Get effective coverage with these large-sized patches. Simply apply and let them do the work, making your skincare routine easier. Trust the experts in acne care. Hero Cosmetics brings you another innovative solution for clearer skin. Experience the difference today. What we like? These patches are designed with a large surface area, perfect for covering bigger breakouts on your cheeks, forehead, or chin. They are also vegan-friendly, aligning with ethical consumer choices. If you're dealing with widespread acne or larger spots and want a vegan option, these are ideal. What people say. The patches use a hydrocolloid material that absorbs impurities and helps speed up the healing process. I found that within a few hours, my blemishes were noticeably reduced in size and redness. The larger size of these patches is perfect for covering bigger spots, offering comprehensive coverage. They adhere well, so I didn't have to worry about them peeling off during the day or while I slept. The patches can be easily cut into different sizes, which I would recommend doing before removing the patches from their protective plastic film, otherwise the scissors can get stuck to the adhesive side of the patches. These patches are incredibly durable, and I have never once experienced them falling off or becoming flimsy. Number 2. Amazon Basic Care Blister Cushion Bandages. Introducing our advanced blister cushion bandages. They provide superior protection for your skin. Designed to significantly reduce rubbing and friction. This helps prevent blisters from forming. Enjoy multi-day use with these durable bandages. They stay in place for extended comfort. Featuring hydrocolloid gel technology for optimal healing. It creates a moist environment for recovery. The self-adhesive design ensures a secure fit. They are easy to apply and remove gently. This pack contains 10 individually wrapped bandages. Perfect for your on-the-go needs. What we like. These are specifically designed as blister cushions, providing excellent protection against rubbing and friction. Their multi-day use capability means fewer changes and continuous comfort. If you frequently experience blisters from shoes or need long-lasting protection for sensitive areas, these are the ones to get. What people say. Even when the blister popped, the bandage made walking on it bearable to the point I sometimes forgot it was there. Also, not only did they help my blisters, they also worked as extra padding for my shoe in a pinch. These are the only bandages that relieve the irritation and help with healing. They are flesh-colored and barely visible, so I can wear with sandals. Number 1. Active Skin Repair First Aid Healing Hydrogel. Introducing a revolutionary way to care for your skin. This natural hydrogel is designed to promote healing for a variety of skin irritations. Crafted with your well-being in mind, its non-toxic formula ensures a safe and gentle application. You can trust it for your family's needs. Harnessing the power of hypochlorous acid, this ointment works naturally with your body's defenses. It's a smart choice for optimal skin recovery. Perfect for everyday mishaps, it provides soothing relief from minor cuts, scrapes, and abrasions. Get back to feeling comfortable quickly. Beyond cuts and scrapes, it also helps calm uncomfortable rashes and provides relief from sunburns. Experience soothing comfort where you need it most. This versatile hydrogel is your go-to solution for a range of skin concerns. Keep it handy for fast and effective skin repair. What we like. This hydrogel utilizes hypochlorous acid, a natural and non-toxic ingredient known for its healing properties. It's versatile for various skin issues, including cuts, scrapes, and sunburns. If you're seeking a gentle yet effective all-in-one solution for minor skin irritations and want a natural approach to healing, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It is a clear, quick-drying gel, not a greasy ointment. It doesn't sting, making it great for kids and adults alike. It is effective without a ton of mystery ingredients. Within 72 hours, my skin looked better and I felt so much more confident. I originally bought Active Skin Repair First Aid Hydrogel for a cut on my nose, and, honestly, to help with a few acne spots, and every time I used it, it noticeably sped up healing and reduced redness. It's super easy to apply, doesn't sting, and absorbs fast without leaving any sticky residue. The pain went away almost instantly, the redness gone. Love this product. Not greasy nor does it sting upon application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.